Simple English sentences for kids. I love playing with my toys. My favorite color is blue. Let's go to the park. I want to eat an apple. Good morning, Mommy. I need to brush my teeth. Can we read a story? It's time for bed. I'm hungry. Can I have a snack? Look at the pretty flowers. My pet is so cute. I can tie my shoes. Thank you for helping me. I'm sorry for making a mess. Let's go for a walk. I'm excited for my birthday. I miss my friend. Time to wash our hands. I'm feeling sleepy. I like to draw pictures. Can we have pizza for dinner? Please pass the crayons. My favorite animal is a dog. I want to learn something new. The sun is shining bright. I have a loose tooth. Let's play hide and seek. Be careful, it's hot. Can I have a hug? I'm proud of my artwork. Look at the stars in the sky. I want to learn how to ride a bike. Time to put on my shoes. My favorite fruit is a banana. I'm happy to see you. Let's build a sandcastle. Can I have a glass of water? I'm feeling better now. I like to sing songs. Time to clean up our toys. I want to help in the kitchen. Can I have a turn, please? Let's play with bubbles. I'm feeling silly today. My family is special to me. I can count to 10. I want to be a superhero. Time to take a bath. Let's make a paper airplane. I'm good at sharing. Can we have a picnic? Look at the beautiful butterflies. My favorite season is summer. I'm scared of the dark. Let's dance together. Can we go to the zoo? I'm learning how to read. I want to help set the table. Time to clean our room. I'm feeling excited about our trip. Let's plant flowers in the garden. Can we have a movie night? I'm feeling a bit shy. My favorite snack is popcorn. I want to learn how to swim. Look at the rainbow after the rain. I'm feeling a little tired. Let's make a blanket fort. Can we visit Grandma and Grandpa? I love playing with my friends. My favorite subject is art. Time to put on our coats. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Let's go on a nature walk. Look at the cute kittens. My favorite holiday is Halloween. I want to learn how to cook. Time to turn off the TV. I'm feeling proud of myself. Let's play a game together. Can we have a sleepover? I'm feeling happy today. My favorite movie is about robots. Look at the colorful balloons. Time to say goodnight. I'm feeling grateful for my family. Let's have a tea party. Can we go to the beach? I'm feeling a little bored. My favorite toy is my teddy bear. Look at the big trucks passing by. I want to learn how to draw better. Time to turn off the lights. I'm feeling a bit cold. Let's bake cookies together. I'm feeling a little lonely. My favorite sport is soccer. I want to learn a new game. Time to put on our pajamas. I'm feeling excited for tomorrow.